Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Pixel 9 Pro. Both of these are flagship smartphones from their respective brands, so we will see which device is going to be better in terms of performance, in daily usage and benchmarking test score results as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here. We have already performed all of them and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 2.663040 million points and Google Pixel 9 Pro scored 1.358115 million points. So as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is scoring exactly twice of what we are getting on Pixel 9 Pro, and so the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in all of these four, performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is better. Especially when it comes to the GPU performance, we are getting nearly 3 times more points on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra compared to what we are getting on Pixel 9 Pro. But our main concern is the overall score, and in that, once again, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So in AnTuTu Benchmark, the winner is S25 Ultra. Now if you go to the Geekbench 6, so this test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 3071 in single core, 9898 in multi-core, while Pixel 9 Pro scored 1978 in single core and 4798 in multi-core. So in both of them, performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is better. Once again, you can see that in multi-core, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is scoring twice of what we are getting on Pixel 9 Pro. Now if we go to the GPU test, in this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 19,630 and Pixel 9 Pro scored 6,319. So this time, once again, just like AnTuTu Benchmark, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is scoring 3 times more point what we are getting on Google Pixel 9 Pro. So in Geekbench 6 as well, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now if you go to the 3D Mark, this is a gaming benchmarking test. So it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device, and this test is divided in multiple parts. So if you go to the Still Nomad Lite, here you can see that Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 2509 with 18.59 average FPS, and our Pixel 9 Pro scored 1021 points with 7.57 average FPS. So in Still Nomad Lite, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Solar Bay is not available for our Google Pixel 9 Pro, as you can see. So let's go to the Wildlife Extreme, and here you can see that Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is scoring 6907 with 41.36 average FPS, and Pixel 9 Pro is scoring 2623 points with 15.71 average FPS. So once again, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now if we go to the Wildlife, then both of these devices maxed out totally. But if you talk about the FPS, you can see that Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 102 FPS to 184 FPS, while we got 37 FPS to 71 FPS on Pixel 9 Pro. So even though both of these devices maxed out in this test, performance of S25 Ultra is better compared to what we are getting on Pixel 9 Pro. So once again, as you can see, in 3D Mark as well, the performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is better. So we can expect that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to be better, especially when it comes to the GPU performance and gaming, compared to what you will get on Google Pixel 9 Pro. But Pixel 9 Pro is also a pretty powerful smartphone, especially because of the fine-tuned and super optimized Android we got here because of the Google. But in terms of numbers, of course, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.